Now, these are indispensable tools if you're a keen gardener. They're perennial spades. There's a shorter handled one that I prefer and a mid-handled one that Elaine prefers. Now, they're called perennial spades because they are very good for splitting perennials with. But we've found they're really good for lots of other jobs as well. For example, Elaine uses hers for lifting potatoes. I often use mine for planting, like these strawberry runners. Or again, Elaine uses hers for lifting bulbs after they're finished in the garden, moving them somewhere else. And we know we're onto a good thing because you hardly ever see Monty Don or Adam Frost in their gardens without one of these in their hands. Now, if you click on the link in the description to this video, it'll take you through to our shop where we stock both sizes at a very reasonable price.